Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest tech gear. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of RGB lighting and efficient cooling with the CORSAIR iCUE SP120 PWM Triple Fan Kit. It's a kit that brings both form and function to your PC setup, and we'll cover all the details in the next 5 minutes. So, let's get started. To kick things off, let's take a quick look at the key features of the CORSAIR iCUE SP120 PWM Triple Fan Kit. This kit incorporates CORSAIR AirGuide technology, featuring anti-vortex vanes. These vanes direct airflow and concentrate cooling, whether you're using the fans as intake, exhaust, or mounted on a liquid cooling radiator. Prepare to be dazzled by the 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs on each fan. These LEDs are situated along the fan hub and provide a stunning and customizable lighting experience. To control all that RGB goodness, the kit includes the iCUE Lighting Node Core RGB lighting controller. It's a compact controller that lets you take charge of your RGB lighting and reduce cable clutter. With the powerful CORSAIR iCUE software, you can create vivid lighting effects that bring your entire system to life. Plus, it allows you to synchronize your RGB lighting across all your compatible CORSAIR products for a cohesive look. Despite all the RGB brilliance, these fans maintain a low noise level, as quiet as 18 dBA. The translucent 120mm fan blades allow ample airflow while still letting your RGB lighting shine through. These fans are no slouch in the performance department. They feature powerful PWM-controlled fan speeds that can reach up to 1,500 RPM. This means they can push up to 47.7 CFM of air with 1.46 mm H2O of static pressure. Now, let's take a closer look at why the CORSAIR iCUE SP120 PWM Triple Fan Kit is a must-have for PC enthusiasts. CORSAIR's AirGuide technology is a game-changer for efficient cooling. These anti-vortex vanes are designed to enhance airflow and concentrate cooling, making them incredibly versatile for different cooling setups. The 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs on each fan create a stunning and mesmerizing lighting effect. The semi-opaque fan blades allow the light to diffuse elegantly, adding a touch of magic to your PC. Thanks to the included iCUE Lighting Node Core, you have full control over your RGB lighting. CORSAIR's iCUE software is user-friendly and lets you create dynamic lighting effects that sync seamlessly with your other CORSAIR RGB products. Not only do these fans look fantastic, but they also perform exceptionally well. With low noise levels and powerful fan speeds, you get the best of both worlds: aesthetics and cooling efficiency. CORSAIR's iCUE ecosystem allows you to unify your entire setup, turning it into a cohesive and immersive experience. Control your RGB lighting, peripherals, and more with intuitive ease. In conclusion, the CORSAIR iCUE SP120 PWM Triple Fan Kit is a dream come true for PC enthusiasts. It brings together stunning RGB lighting, efficient cooling, and intuitive control, all in one package. That wraps up our in-depth review of the CORSAIR iCUE SP120 PWM Triple Fan Kit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech reviews and insights. You'll find links to purchase and additional information in the video description below. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep your PCs cool and your setups shining.